Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are doing an empties video, which means I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I have used up and I've loved, I've hated. I don't know, you're just going to have to find out. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting out with skincare and body and hair products. And to start off, we got a little small guy. This is the Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser. And this is just what it says. It's very much a cream cleanser. It has sort of like a milky consistency. And I usually like something that exfoliates, but this is so nice on the skin. It's oil-free. This is not even close to being a new product, but I hadn't used it since I was like, I don't even know, like a while back. And so I decided to pick it up again and see how it reacted to my more adult skin. And I really like it. It has sort of like a cooling feeling once you're done washing your face. And I'm into it. So I think I'm going to purchase the full size and just keep on using it. Up next we have another skincare product. This is the Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. And this is from Up and Up, their Target's generic brand. And I 110% am always going to be the girl that is like, sure, I'll try the generic. It doesn't have to be name brand. I'm cool. Let's give it a go. This, my friends, just buy the real one. The real one is the St. Ives Scrub, the Blackhead Green Tea one. It's so good, and I thought that I could get away with using this one because usually generics are pretty similar. No, this one, it kind of like has a weird smell to it. Like, I don't know. I didn't like it as much as I like the original St. Ives, so I'd recommend just buying the name brand if you're gonna look into this. Yeah. Next we have one of my favorites. You guys already know this if you've been here. This is the Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm obsessed with this stuff, and I purchased a small bottle because I don't know, I literally don't have a good reason because I love this stuff and I'm going to buy the big ones from now on. This removes my makeup unlike anything else. Like, if you have a hard time removing makeup, or if you feel like sometimes you're just rubbing too harshly and you just don't like the way it feels, you're pulling at the skin, ugh, get some of this because this will remove everything so easily. Like, you don't even have to work at it at all. I will be buying the big one, and yeah, I just could not recommend this more. Alright, so this is the last up for the skincare, and I actually really like this next product. This is from Soap & Glory. It is the Peaches and Clean Deep Cleansing Milk. So this cleanser is so soft, it smells delicious, and I really love the way it removed my makeup. I'd put like a little bit on a cotton pad and then I'd wet it and it would just melt everything off. When I ran out of the micellar water, I was using this. I've been using this for a while though, and it does the job. And also, if you guys like the smell of peaches, I'd recommend this. Yeah, I enjoy this. Have you guys ever tried this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Moving right along, we're gonna go to legs next. And if you guys watched my first ever video, my influencer video, I will link it right here. You guys saw that I received this in my package. This is the Venus and Vera Bradley Blushed Bloom Ultra Moisture Shave Gel. And I really did enjoy this. The packaging is quite deceptive because in that video you'll see I'm like, this looks like more than 6 ounces. It's really not. They only fill the product to like this much. So you're really only getting 6 ounces of product. But I believe it retails for like $3 or $4, so it's not horrible. It smelled really nice. It lathered pretty well. So I wasn't mad at it. If you guys are curious, yeah, it did the job. Alright, so up next we are going to talk about the Banana Boat Summer Color Self Tanning Mist. Now, I love this stuff. I use this for shows, so my legs always look nice and tan, and then I shine them up. And yeah, it does a great job. I apply this actually with a latex glove. You can find them at Walmart in like the, I don't even know, like, oh, cleaning section. In the cleaning section. Yeah, the cleaning section. But you can apply this with a latex glove if you don't feel like getting one of like the self-tan applicator mitts. No, sorry. You can get like 10 gloves for $1. So I would recommend that. And I really enjoyed this. I've also used the Jergens, and let's see what else. L'Oreal had one, but I really like this one and it smells like citrus. Reminded me of the beach, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. So I'm actually going to be picking up another one because I am going to the beach in 2 days. Actually, when you'll watch this, I'll already be there, so yeah. Anyway, I really enjoyed this. Okay, last up for the legs is another Soap & Glory product. This is the Clean On Me Creamy Clarifying Shower Gel. And I actually, as you can see, really enjoyed this. It's almost all gone. The pump was broken on mine. I don't know how that happened, but it happened, so I had to be sort of unhygienic about it and take it out, pour it out by the bottle, which wasn't my favorite. But if you get one with a pump that works, then it's just fine. This has natural mandarin peel extract and a built-in body lotion, and it's so true. Like, it's creamy for a reason. This will leave you feeling hydrated. And I use this, you know, for shaving if I didn't have a shave gel, and it really does smell delicious. So just, if you guys need a good shower gel, you're in the market for a new one, try this one. You might like it. Alright, up next we have 2 hair products. The first is the TRESemmé Curl Hydration Shampoo. Got one of these big old tubs. This is almost empty. And as much as I enjoy TRESemmé products, I have to say that I am a little biased right now because I cannot get over my Pantene shampoo and conditioner combo. I use the volume shampoo and the curl conditioner, and my hair just, it's been miraculous. Like, I just love it. It's so much more shiny, and I will be using that forever from now on, or until I have to switch it up again. Do you girls ever have to go through that where it's like one shampoo works really well for a while and then it doesn't, and then you try something else and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm hooked on that? I don't know. My most recent one is Pantene, so. But the TRESemmé stuff is really good too. I didn't find that this necessarily added to my curls. I know it's supposed to be like a curl shampoo, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Have you guys tried this? Let me know what you think. And last up for hair, we have the Herbal Essences Body Envy Voluminizing Hairspray. And yeah, this, as you can see, lost its lid, as do most products that I have. They end up losing things, parts of them, the lids, the mirrors, all of it. But I really love this hairspray. I actually just bought like a huge version of this, like big old can. Yeah, so this is Max Hold number 4 out of 4. And it says, turn up the volume with high hold, irresistibly touchable, smells so good. Can confirm, 10 out of 10, would recommend, smells delicious. And it says, turn up the volume and check humidity at the door. Embrace body and shine with this hairspray that is sure to help your style reach its fullest potential. Then give it all a boost with our zesty citrus fragrance. Like I said, love this stuff. Will continue to use this, continue to purchase it. And that's all I have to say. Next we have some makeup stuff. I guess I'm just gonna kind of go in the order. I don't know. Do we even need an order? Anyway, I had a recent haul, Elf and Wet n Wild, and this is the Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. Let me tell you something. I didn't really use this on my face a whole lot because I didn't love the way it set my makeup. I felt like I looked a little patchy afterwards, which is sad because, you know, I like Wet n Wild products, but I just didn't feel like this one did the best of jobs. So I did hold on to this for making my shadows more foiled on my brushes. After you dip into your eyeshadow, spritz the brush. Helped a lot with shine. Loved it for that. And after I'd wear my hair extensions, I would brush them out and I would spritz them with this coconut stuff, and then I would recurl them, and I actually really liked it for that. But like I said, for the face, just not the biggest fan. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you thought. Up next we have the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Sticks, and these are pretty freaking awesome. Like, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys are into dewy skin, if you're into that like super reflective, shiny, like natural, but like wet look, you would really like these. I have shades F2 and F6 here. F2 is like a lighter color, obviously, and F6 is going to be darker, but I really enjoyed this one for right here in some of the darker areas of my face, and then I would go in with the lighter one and lighten up the other areas and then blend it all together. So it's not contouring, but it's preparing the face for contour, and these are a holy grail. I love stick foundations. These ones are awesome. Next up, also from Makeup Revolution, we have the Define and Conceal. I always say it wrong. It's Conceal and Define, my bad. This is their concealer that's supposed to be a dupe for Shape Tape. Yeah, I really enjoy it. It's in shade C1, and I think it does a really, really great job. I love the big fat doe foot applicator. And I will say the packaging on this product is much more effective than, say, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, because that's also supposed to be a dupe for Shape Tape. However, how do I say this nicely? The packaging is atrocious. Like, every time I go to put the wand back in, it pushes out more product. So let's just take a gander at what it does. So I don't know if you can see, but it ends up piling up around the lid, and yeah, I'm just not a fan. I don't like things to be messy, and that is what this is. So as much as I enjoy the product and what it does as far as concealing, I really, really have to say that I love the Makeup Revolution one because of the packaging. So take it or leave it. If that doesn't matter to you, if messiness is not a thing, then you might like this one, or maybe it's just this, I don't know, maybe it's a user error. That's probably what it is, if we're being honest. But let me know if you guys have had issues with that in the past. It gets everything dirty in my makeup bag. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so for bronzers, you guys know I have used this Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. I put this in here because it's not fully empty. Obviously, I've hit pan. I will be picking up a new bronzer, but I don't think that I will repurchase this one in this shade, at least. I might get a darker one for my legs and bronzing, you know, making sure I'm stage ready. But in terms of this color, it was a little warm for my face. And you guys know everybody in the world loves the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's just so freaking good. It smells delicious. This might be my new percussion instrument. And my cat's like, I just woke her up. But this is in the shade Light Bronzer, and I really enjoy this. I mean, who doesn't like the Butter Bronzer? Sound off below if you're not a fan, because I would really be interested to see. It seems like everyone's obsessed with these. Pro tip from someone that's not a pro. If you are interested in buying the Butter Bronzer, wait until Ulta has a sale, because normally I think it's like $14.99. But if you go when Ulta has a sale, you can get multiple products and they'll be discounted, buy one, get one. Just, they're always doing something for Physicians Formula. So if that sounds good to you, then you might want to check it out. Up next, we have, you guys know I just did a video on it, the e.l.f. Brow Kit. I gotta say, I have two of these, and I still have powder in this one. Obviously, pomade's gone. I will say, I feel like, oops, LOL. I will say, I feel like these two powder shades are different. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if you can really see them, but this one to me seems so much more ashen than this one. It may not read that way on camera because this one has a lot more taken out of the pan, but I used to contour with this shade, and then I picked up a newer one, and even though I've gone through this one pretty quickly, I don't really contour with this because it's really, really warm. So let me know what you guys think. Have you ever picked up anything from e.l.f. that's like, you know, maybe been inconsistent? I don't know. This was a while ago, so maybe they reformulated. It seemed like this one, the older one, was smoother as well. This one is more chunky in the pan. So I really don't know, you guys, but I really do enjoy the pomade. They also make a brow pencil with a spoolie on one side, retractable, the whole nine. My mom likes that one. I got her hooked on that. So if you guys are interested, e.l.f. does have some good brow products. I'm just used to the pomade and angled brush, so whatever works for you. All right, we're gonna move on to eyes. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Now, if you guys watched my recent haul, you know I picked up the H2O one, and actually I have to tell you, I switched the two brushes because the H2O proof one, it had this stubby, like hard, pointy liner that didn't really move, and I really liked the brush tip, so I just took the lid off of the new one, put it in the old one that's empty, and put the lid that I liked on the new one. So it does look a little funny, but I mean, who cares? As long as it works, right? Am I right? Do you guys ever do anything weird like that? So anyway, I guess we're done with that one. Okay, up next we have the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. Now, I love the look of the brush on this. It's nice and big, like, I don't know if you can see, but wow, I mean, it's like really large. I wasn't crazy about the formula. I really like the brush. As you guys know, the Lash Princess from Essence, the purple one, is my holy grail. I love that one. I feel like it gives me so much curl, volume, the whole nine. I thought that maybe this one would be a dupe for the Clinique mascara because it has a real big brush like that one, but I didn't like it as much, so I don't know, not sold. Like I said, recommend that Lash Princess, and that one's my fave. So that's the last product for the eyes. The last product of the whole video is of course the CoverGirl Top Coat for the Outlast lipsticks. They sell these individually and I'm obsessed with this. It smells delicious and it's just like the nicest little balm for your lips, very hydrating and smooth. And I've literally, like, not only am I out, I've like scooped this out, so I do have another one. I love it. So thank you to my mom for turning me on to that because I'm obsessed. So yeah, I think that's it, you guys. I have gone through everything, thrown products around. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, love ya, mean it. Hope you guys enjoyed my product reviews, my empties, whatever you want to call this. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to title it, but it's all good. We're all friends here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below and the bell next to it if you want to be notified for more videos like these. I'll see you in my next one. I don't know. Come here. Oh. Hello. Oh, yes. Fast-paced fist. La 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 la. What are these called? I don't even know. Oh, I was right. I did something right. She says I don't like this though. Meow. Nose itches. Get mitt. I thought I had one on me, but I don't know where it is. No, I lied. Blah, 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 blah.